Okay, champ, before we dive into solving more ratio problems, let me share some golden rules. These are the must-know secrets that make ratios super easy and super smart. Point 1. Ratios are like fractions. Ratios are kind of like fractions. That means you can multiply or divide both numbers in a ratio by the same number, just like you do with fractions. For example, 4:6 can be written as 4/3, 6/3 equals 12, 18, that's equivalent. Always use simplest form. We usually write the ratio in its lowest or simplest form, just like we do with fractions. It makes it easier to understand. For example, 4:6 becomes 2:3. Point 3. The order of a ratio really matters. In a ratio, the order of the numbers matters a lot. Let's say you have 8 red balls and 13 blue balls. The ratio of red to blue is 8:13. But if you say 13:8, that means you're talking about blue to red, and that's a totally different thing. Point 4. Only compare same kinds. You can only compare quantities of the same kind. For example, you can't compare 30 Indian rupees with 12 meters. That wouldn't make any sense, right? So no mixing up units like weight and height, or money and length. Point 5. Use the same units. Sometimes the things you compare are the same type, but they're in different units. Like comparing 1 meter and 80 centimeters. You have to make sure both are in the same unit first. So 1 meter becomes 100 centimeters. Then the ratio becomes 100. 80 is equal to 5, 4. Point 6. Ratios have no units. Yup, that's right. Ratios don't need units, because the units cancel out when we divide. So we just write the numbers, like 5, 4, no cm or m. So, to be a ratio pro, just remember, simplify, keep the order right, match the units, and always compare the same kind of things. Easy, right?